What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing video for you. I got a Glock 17 Gen 5 that my buddy just picked up, so he's kind enough to let me do a little video on it. We'll start with the outside. Got a standard Glock case. See this side, got the Glock logo. And then moving on to the pink label, Glock 17 Gen 5 3 17 round mags. On the other side, we've got just our generic warning labels. So as we move into the case itself, I'm going to start with the top side. We'll skip the good part for now. Got a lock. Pretty much all your Glocks are going to come with these. It's not a Glock branded lock or anything like that. And we got paperwork, of course, firearm safety, Youth Handgun Safety Act, and then the important part is your Glock manual, which is going to be in this envelope. If you're a new shooter or a new Glock owner, this is probably going to be worth a read. And we also got a cleaning brush and a cleaning rod here. So I'll let you take a look at the good part now. See how it comes in the case. See, we got a mag loader, 3 17 round mags, 2 beaver tail back straps. It's going to be a medium and a large. You've got a tool to install and remove those, and an extra pin, and then of course the gun itself. So we'll take a closer look at all of those, starting with the magazines. Again, 3 17 round mags, all labeled 9mm, and rounds 5 through 17. You can see the Glock logos at the bottom as well. They're all going to have the orange followers. And then there's going to be another Glock logo at the very bottom on the base plate. So these are pretty tough magazines. If you're out on the range, I would not be worried about dropping these on the ground when you reload. Just let them fall, okay? Got your magazine loader. Again, Glock logo. The same texturing that is going to be found on the gun. Both sides. These are pretty helpful with new mags. They get pretty hard to load once you get towards the bottom, you know, all 17 rounds. Or if you have weaker hands, these are kind of nice. And we'll take a look at the back straps now. So again, you're going to get a medium and a large. Beaver tail back strap. This is the beaver tail here. And here's the tool that you'll just use to press the pin. And here's the other back strap. I don't know too many people that actually use these. Glocks feel pretty good as they come. And then you can see that extra pin in there. And of course, on to the good part. I'll let you take a look at it real quick. I'll kind of show you both sides before I get into it. Glock logo, 17 Gen 5 Austria 9x19. So what are the big kickers with the Gen 5s? First thing you're going to see is the front slide serrations. I'll try and get a good angle here with the light so you can see those. They're the exact same as the rear. So I guess if you're one of those fancy boys, you like to do those press checks. Finally, Glock gave you something to grip here on the front so you don't hurt your fingers. Next thing you're gonna see is the chamfered front slide, or just the, chamfered slide. It's gonna be there to kind of assist you with getting it into the holster. I think it makes the Glocks look a little better too. Gets rid of that kind of square look. You're also going to see Gen 5s do not have finger grooves anymore compared to the Gen 4s. I think it's comfortable. I've had Gen 4s. Finger grooves never bothered me at all. So going to the Gen 5 without finger grooves, it's just as comfortable. I don't really notice anything different. Then next you're going to see a flared mag well. You can kind of see that with the light here. That's going to help you kind of see it there too. Kind of act as a funnel for your magazines when you're reloading. There's a good angle. It's not excessive, but it's there. And then for us lefties, you're also going to see we got another slide lock on the right side. So same exact size and pattern as the original on the left. And if you're lefty, don't forget that this mag release can be swapped to the other side. I just have not done that yet. It's pretty easy. Pull a pin and swap it over. I might do a video on that later just to help the new folks. Take a look down the sights. Standard kind of plastic Glock sights. A lot of us are probably going to replace those with some sort of aftermarket night sight. So something to pay attention to in the store if you're looking at one, the specific one you're gonna get, make sure that this rear sight is pretty well centered. My buddy had a Glock 20 Gen 4 that out of the box, this rear sight was way off center. Not even close. So, and that's not a big deal. Like, you can get a press tool and recenter that, or a punch and tap that over. But yeah, gun looks pretty good. It's got all my fingerprints on it, of course. I haven't noticed any quality defects or anything. The finish on the slide looks great. And of course it's smooth. So that's going to be it on this unboxing of the Glock 17 Gen 5. I'd recommend going and picking one up. They're a good gun, good looking gun. They shoot well, reliable. You really cannot go wrong with a Glock. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.